Welcome to Mr. Jahs class, where I, Mr. Jah, cover educational topics in a short amount of time. Let's get started. How to solve for acceleration when dealing with Newton's second law. Let's take a look at this problem. In a track and field meet, Victor accelerates at an unknown rate as 1,118 newtons of force is applied to the blocks. Given that Victor's mass is 70.2 kilograms, what is the rate of acceleration? Before we get to the problem, be aware that you can't just watch these videos and learn the equations. So please make sure you get your notebook and pencil and write down the steps. That way you don't just memorize what to do, you understand why we do what we're doing. This will be more beneficial in the long run. And if you know someone who needs help with these problems, please feel free to share it with them. Let's get to the video. Step 1. Write what you know. So what is the force in this problem? The force is 1,118 newtons because force is measured in newtons. And then what about the mass? The mass is 70.2 kilograms. And then the acceleration. We don't know the acceleration. That is what we are trying to solve. All right, so step 2, plug in your values. The formula for Newton's second law is force is equal to mass times acceleration. So let's go ahead and plug in our values. So force goes there, and then mass goes there. So how do we solve for acceleration? We have to get it by itself. And in order for us to get it by itself, we have to do the opposite of what the operation is. So right now it is being multiplied by the mass, so we have to divide by the mass. That cancels it out and gets acceleration by itself. And whatever we do to one side of the equation, we have to do to the other side. So therefore, acceleration is equal to 15.93 meters per second squared. And that is how you solve for acceleration. Thank you for watching the video. Attention science teachers. Want some free physics resources for your classroom? Click the teacher link in the description. And as always, thank you for liking, commenting, and subscribing.